There are a couple of ways that you can add team members to your course in CrowdMark. So if you are setting up your course using an LMS integration, you may have the option to import in your team members from the LMS. So when you come across to Course Team here, if you did do that, you would see an option here to add team members via the LMS, to sync with the LMS. The other options are to add by email address. So you can copy and paste your team member's address here. And you can do multiple team members underneath here and click continue. You'll be asked to assign a role to each of your team members. Instructor has the highest level of permissions. Facilitator has all permissions at the assessment level, but not at the course level. The grader will only be able to go in and grade work. They won't see any identifiable student information in using that grader role. And the uploader is a role specifically for those who are downloading exams and uploading the scans to CrowdMark for the administered assessment. So for each of those roles, there are different permissions attached to them. And if you would like at any stage to either upgrade or downgrade somebody's role, you can do so by navigating to the team page, selecting the drop down by their role, and updating their role.